Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to set up professional legal policies on Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify account and choose Policies in the Settings menu. Now, scrolling down, you see all of the legal policies you can make for your webshop. Some of them have a template you can use, some don't. We will start with the Written Return and Refund policy. Click on Create from Template. A whole text will show, you just have to delete some brackets. To do this quickly, press Ctrl+F and type in one bracket. Now if you click these arrows next to the bracket, you can switch swiftly between all of the brackets in the text. I do suggest reading the sentence before the bracket because sometimes there's a reference in there to the brackets you have to delete. Just make this sentence look normal. Also, your email which you used to make your Shopify account will be shown as a contact email. If you don't have a contact email yet, leave it at your personal email or just delete it. If you do, replace all of the email parts marked in blue with your contact mail. If you already changed your contact email in the settings, it will be your contact email that is shown. For the privacy policy, do the exact same thing. Ctrl+F+bracket and start deleting and reforming your sentences. I suggest reading it through once when your webshop is actually selling to check if there are no more errors in it. For the terms of service, do the exact same thing, only on the bottom for contact information. You can fill that in if you want to. Now for shipping policy, you can ask ChatGPT to make one for you or just make it up yourself. Finally, for contact information, fill in whatever info you want them to know about you and your business and how you want them to contact you. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.